Hello, I'm Debashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Analyst at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, and I welcome you all to this special webinar on hybrid cloud architecture with AWS. That is our topic for today. So, we'll discuss the different architectures of AWS that is in the hybrid mode, like the VPN, Virtual Private Network. That is the one infrastructure that we have in the cloud. So, what is actually this AWS VPN? So, how to optimize cloud connectivity with VPN and Outpost? So, let's begin. So, VPN, that is a connectivity option, that is a very important option and very secure option. And in today's digital landscape in cloud, that is very crucial. And we'll explore the AWS VPN and Outpost here, and we'll highlight the importance in establishing secure and efficient connections to cloud. So, if you are going to move the resource, if you are going to migrate the resource to the cloud, definitely you cannot just compromise with security. So, you have to definitely do a secure connection. You have to build a secure connection. And that VPN, virtual private network, this is a very secure connection in a hybrid cloud environment. Even if you're, say, using two different clouds, say AWS and Azure or any other cloud. So there also, to make connectivity, you have to go for the VPN. And VPN encrypts the data, as we know. So it is a very secure network and nobody can hack into your VPN. So, what do you mean by this AWS VPN? AWS VPN enables a secure connection between your on premise network and AWS that I was talking about. Your on premise server and AWS server, the cloud server, you are migrating data there. There, you need the VPN. It uses encryption protocols to protect data in transit. When data is being transited, is transported, it is encrypted, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and secure. Now, utilizing AWS VPN provides several benefits, including the security, then cost effectiveness, and ability to connect multiple sites seamlessly. So, definitely, there are not only two sites, there are n number of sites, and you can connect these sites simultaneously, seamlessly using this VPN solution. It allows business to maintain control over their network infrastructure. Now, another thing is AWS Outpost. It brings native AWS services to on-premise environment, and it allows business to run applications with low latency, means the applications will run very fast and while maintaining a consistent experience across hybrid environments. So it will actually take the applications and it will actually make compatibility between different clouds. Benefits of AWS Outposts: organizations can achieve low latency, local data processing, and seamless integration with existing AWS services. So, all the services here it is integrated in the VPN and Outpost. And this hybrid solution is perfect for workloads requiring local processing. Now, how to set up the AWS VPN there? To set up the AWS VPN, you need to configure a virtual private gateway. Like the NAT gateway, you need to configure a VPN gateway also and establish a VPN connection. Just like the for the internet connection, you create an internet gateway to the EC2 instance. Here also, you have to create a virtual private gateway for VPN connection. And this process involves getting a customer gateway and adjusting routing settings for optimal performance. Now, configuring AWS Outpost means involves selecting the right hardware, defining the network settings, and integrating with your existing AWS environment. This ensures that your application runs smoothly in a hybrid setup. Now, best practices are that to optimize your AWS VPN outposts, you have to consider implementing redundancy and you have to monitor the performance and regularly reviewing security policies. And now, this will definitely enhance reliability and efficiency in the cloud connectivity. Now, definitely there are some challenges also if you implement these solutions, like the organizations may face challenge such as latency issues, means there will be some delays. There will be some delays because it's related to your WAN service, definitely. So the latency will come because say you are locating at a remote location say in the world, so definitely there will be some latency issue. configuration errors and security vulnerabilities there also may happen. Identifying these challenges definitely can help you mitigate this risk effectively. So you have to solve this problem. So we can conclude here that optimizing cloud connectivity with AWS VPN and Outpost the services, this is very essential for modern businesses. And as the technology evolves, definitely this staying informed about emerging trends will help maintain competitive advantages here. Now, this was about the AWS VPN, and we will learn more about this VPN. Actually, what is the VPN in today's cloud or digital landscape? So, VPNs are definitely essential tools for enhancing security and privacy. So, if you are going to send the data very securely, then VPN has no alternative. And as we navigate an increasingly connected environment, understand the role of VPNs become very crucial for protecting sensitive information and also maintaining anonymity. Means you want to connect as an anonymous user and you want to hide your IP as well. So that is also possible in VPN. What is a VPN? VPN creates a secure encrypted connection between your device and the internet. So there is the ISP in between, and there are many locations, not only two, but many locations, and you are creating a secure path, logical path, definitely logical, nothing about physical. So a logical channel is there, that is the VPN. And this technology masks your IP address. Yes, it hides IP address because it actually hides your private IP. So you have to do it to hide your IP also. So it actually ensures your privacy and security from potential threats. Now, what is the importance of security in today's cloud? Cybersecurity or in cloud threats are rampant. So anybody can attack you. So VPNs play a vital role in protecting personal data from hackers, malwares, and other malicious entities by encrypting the connection. So whatever you are sending, that encrypted security payload that we say the ESP is totally encrypted. So it encrypts your header as well as the body part and the trailer part of the data. So it is total encryption. And privacy concerns are there, like the increasing data surveillance and tracking. VPNs help in maintaining online privacy. Now, they prevent ISPs and third parties from monitoring your internet usage. So that is also to hide your information from outside world. Benefits are definitely VPN provides several benefits like secure browsing, access to geo-restricted content, and enhanced anonymity. So these advantages make VPNs an indispensable tool for both individuals and businesses. And you have to choose the right VPN. There are many VPNs. There are AWS VPNs, there is Cisco AnyConnect VPN. There are many VPN solutions. So you have to actually choose the VPN like for the cloud and like encryption standards, no logs policy, and speed. So these are the factors that should be considered before choosing the right VPN solution. A reputable VPN provider ensures that your data remains private and secure when you browse the internet with confidence. And challenges are there. While VPNs offer significant advantages, they are not foolproof. Definitely, no technology is free from challenge. Users may face connection issues, also potential data leaks. Definitely see that VPN is also, I cannot say that it is 100% secure. No technology is 100% attack free. So definitely there may be some data leaks and the need for subscription fees. So VPNs may be costly because they may have the public IP. If you are buying the public IP from the internet for your VPN connection, from the ISP, definitely they will charge you. But we can conclude that VPNs are vital for enhancing security and privacy. And by understanding their role and benefits, definitely users can make informed decisions to protect their online presence and to protect their secure and sensitive information. So that is about the VPN solutions. And I can take you to this portal of AWS and you can search for the VPN. Just search the VPN here and you can see client VPN endpoints. That is a remote access VPN when the client is actually connecting to the VPN server. And this is virtual private gateways that you have to create and site to site VPN connections. So you can have different features here. So just click on that. Every service may not be available in your free tier account. In that case, you have to upgrade your account, but you have say a total different console here in VPN and including the VPC. This is a VPN connection you have. So you have to create the VPN connection and you have to name that. You have to create a virtual private gateway. Now, what is a gateway? That is the entry and exit point. That is the connection point of the VPN server. You have to give a name, any name, and virtual private gateway. You have to select. Otherwise, you have to create a new gateway, and you have to specify a public IP to this gateway, and this IP is delivered by the ISP. And if you are using the BGP, border gateway protocol, as you know, then you have to give the autonomous system number, and some numbers are definitely reserved and one to this range. This is the range that we know about the BGP. And routing options, you can go for the BGP dynamic routing. And why BGP? Because other protocols, OSPF, API, GRP, these are not supported by ISP. These are the enterprise level routing protocols. So definitely you cannot use that. You have to go for the BGP or the ISIS. These protocols supported in the ISP backbone. So otherwise, you can have the static routing. In that case, you have to configure the static route. So better to go for dynamic routes because you are having different numerous destinations. So local IP4 network. So local network you will specify. Then the tunnel options. So you have to specify the CIDR for tunnel 1. So there are many options you have to specify. Again, every option cannot be configured in the free tier account. So here you have to specify the CIDR value that is actually provided by the ISP. You cannot specify everything here. And then you can also edit the option. These are the encryption protocols. These are the encryption algorithms, AES protocol, advanced encryption standard, then the SHA protocol, SHA. So SHA is a very, you can say, secure protocol today's, and many other things are also there. Many advanced versions are there, like the IKE version, Internet Key Exchange, that is to actually authenticate between the VPN servers. So you can go for IKE1, IKE2, different versions are there. And then you have to click on the create VPN connection, and it will make the VPN connection to the AWS VPN server. So these things you need to do. And also, if I again search for the VPN, then you just have this virtual private gateways. So you have to create the virtual private gateway here. And again, you have to go for the Amazon default ASN that Amazon provides, or you have to go for custom ASN. So in case of the BGP protocol, you can customize the ASN that is available, or you can take the ASN that is provided by the Amazon AWS. So you can give any name, and you can create the virtual private gateway. So just like the internet gateway, the virtual private gateway to be attached to the VPN connection, to the VPN server. So if you are connecting any S3 instance to the VPN server, definitely you have to create this virtual private gateway. And this is for the site-to-site VPN. And for the remote access VPN, so if you just again search the VPN, this is the client VPN endpoints. Means if I'm the client, say a mobile user, and I'm going to connect to the VPN server, I'm going to dial to the VPN server, then I need this endpoint. It is a client version, it is not the server. So here you click on the create client VPN endpoint, and you have to give it a name. The client IP means the local network LAN IP. And if you're using server certificate for authentication, you have to give that. So, and then the VPC ID, where this VPC is there, and VPN port. So you can actually dial to the VPN server using the client VPN endpoint. So first you need to create the VPN server, and then to connect to the VPN server, to dial to the VPN server, you need to create the VPN, the client endpoint connection, and that is actually the remote access VPN connection. So there are many VPNs, but we are here talking about the site to site VPNs, and the other one is the remote access VPN. So again, you can have the route-based VPN, policy-based VPN. So there are different VPN options available. So VPN and Outposts. These solutions are very vital, and they have a wide range of options here in the cloud. So as you can see, this way we can implement the VPN solution in the cloud, and I have shown you the practical options where to deploy the VPN, and also discuss the theory things about the VPN and the Outpost connections, the services available in the cloud. So that is about the cloud architectures, hybrid cloud architectures with AWS we have. We have these services, and hybrid means that it can be used in any cloud environment, any cloud environment. Say in Azure also we have this option, and AWS and in other clouds like the GCP also we have these options. So, as the clouds are becoming more secure and we are migrating more data to the cloud from our on premise server, so the security is becoming a very paramount issue. And for that, this VPN is definitely going to be implemented. Otherwise, your data will be leaked, it will be hacked. So that is about the VPN solutions in the AWS cloud for now. And I hope that you have got an immense understanding of this topic for your study on the AWS Solution Architect Associate Examination. And also, I hope that you will be able to implement this solution in your enterprise network. So that is it for VPN. And I thank you all again to join this webinar. I will come with some new topic next day. Till then, take care and bye.